the Gospel Living app, brought to you by the Scripture Ninja. Let's go back to the Gospel Living app. So down here at the bottom we have the rest of these tabs. Let's click on the Circles tab. Here we have various circles. We have activities and conversations with various groups of circles that you're automatically joined to. Depending on where you are living and what callings you have in the church, depends upon what circles you will join. If you go up to activities, you can plan something, but I have no activities right now. So let's go ahead and look at conversations. So if I go to adults, it shows all the conversations in the adults section. There are various posts that I have already posted. So let's say we want to post something from the Discover tab. So we just go down here to Discover tab and click on it. Say I want to share this one right here. Do things that make this world a better place, like sharing things. Let's go up to the Share button and press it. And then we're going to go ahead and share with circles. Press that. Now it's asking me which circles do I want to share it with. I have attached the message. I can put a message with it. Let's go first select the Adults tab. And I'm sharing with adults now. I have other available circles that I can share it with too. Let's go ahead and write a message. I'm going to say I love to serve others because the image and the article is about serving the Lord. I'm going to press the Send button. And that sends it to the Adults circle. I can check it by coming down to the Circles tab. And there it is. I posted it. 11:45 a.m. Chris Stapleton. How can you show your love for the Lord? People can click on it by just pressing it, which comes to the article. People can read it and share it with whomever they desire also. Thanks for watching this video. I'm the Scripture Ninja.